up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, and we haven't done this for a while, but we're opening Smashes again because we found a new series in B&M.
Frozen Dino egg.
And there's glow in the dark, ultra rare. And it's an 8-pack. This guy over here. So let's open. We're gonna get the scissors and some snipping. Sorry, polar bear. Yeah, I can put it. Cut this glass part off. Nearly done. So hard. These boxes are even harder. Okay, maybe. Done. And also, if you want, they have a Smashes TV cartoons on YouTube if you want to go check that out after this video. And this ice cave background here. And him, polar bear here. Okay. First of all, checklist. Oh, I know you see it. Check.
What is it, Mills?
Just open up the checklist here. There we go. So hard, it keeps flopping back. And here are all the characters. So let's get the first things out. Ooh, don't smash them yet. We're going to be doing that on the floor in a second. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. 2 characters to start off with. So we've got this guy. I'll check what he is. Check. Where is he? Can't find him. Oh, Ice Raptor. He's Ice Raptor. It says over here. And so he... Okay, now let's open this one. And this guy is a blue Frozen guy, especially for the new series. So, check what he is. Can't find him. Where is he? He's called Polydactyl. It's purple here, but he's actually a Frozen. Okay, so we've got 2. Hope you don't get any duplicates in this video. 2 cool guys. Okay, now time to stand up and smash it. 3, 2, 1. Let's pick up more pieces. I wonder which guy. Oh, who is that? Let's see. Okay, so the eggshells can go back in the box here. So we got this guy.
Oh, this one's big.
It's a bit bigger than the ones we already got. So I'll just put him on the floor there for a second while I find him. Where's that? Can't find him. So hard to find.
Shall I try?
Yeah. Or on the back of the box here.
Ah, it's Siberian lion.
Where?
Rare, it's rare.
Where?
Just here.
Can I Let's see where Siberian lion.
Yeah.
I didn't know we'd get a rare. I hope we get this guy. And this is playset exclusive. So one day we might get the playset. There's like a bus or something that comes with them. Blizzard Bear and Arctic Ape. Okay. These two guys. Stag. Sit down just. Please be a good one.
Fossil.
And it says there's one surprise. There's one slime surprise. So I'll just put him here. Just take him for a second.
Which way? Ah, this way.
He's called a Sub-Zero mosquito. It's a cool guy. And it's here, right on top of my finger. So, our first fossil. Okay. Put the eggshells back in here. We might do a video on rebuilding them. Okay. How much more? 1, 2, 3. That was a good one. Okay, let's check who we got. Put all of these back in here. So we got this guy. Let's check who it is.
Snake.
It's a snowflake snake.
Yeah.
Cool, I like him. Okay, let's draw more. 3 more. Oh, we got the glow-in-the-dark lion.
Oh.
I think.
That's
Wait, no.
super rare. Is it?
Wait, I'm just gonna. No, but he is an ice. No, who is he? I can't find these guys. I can't find the lions. We already have one lion.
It's exactly the same, just like glow in the dark or something, or frozen.
What is he called?
It's one of the frozen ones.
Exclusive. Well, not exclusive, but
It looks like Siberian. It must be Siberian lion or not? Oh no. They are different.
oh, is it an
It's a different one.
ice ox?
I think it is, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's ice ox.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
So we didn't get any.
this one, ice ox. Oh, actually.
But it looks different because it has.
Let's keep going.
It has a different face. Yeah, it's an ox. Well, we didn't get any duplicates today. Okay. See? I think that's a bag. What is that? Let's quickly take all of these. Looks like a reindeer.
Oh, that's cute.
I'll find him.
Oh,
Dear Frosted.
dear frosted. He's cute.
I really like this guy. Okay, put him up. One more egg.
Ooh.
Wait,
Oh, empty?
no. It's one of the slimes. Every one pack there's a slime. Let's open this bag up. I think we'll need a little tin for the slime. He's pretty slimy. Okay.
Let's open.
Oh, there's slime. Who is he? Who is he? Ooh!
Who is he?
Wait a sec. I think it's the ultra rare glow in the dark.
Ultra caveman. It is.
We got the ultra rare.
Ultra
guys.
rare in the first go.
Yeah.
Glow in the dark.
Yeah, we got the
Ultra rare cool caveman.
We got the ultra rare.
Yay!
Let's
Yay,
turn the
Miller!
lights
Yay,
off.
Miller!
Let's turn the lights off and go to the bathroom, maybe.
I think first you need to put it in the sun or in a light.
Yeah.
By the even if you put it there.
Show them the slime. Did they put it on the table here?
Ooh. Have you seen the slime, Millie? Have you seen the slime?
I can't believe we got an ultra rare, guys.
I'll put the slime in that one of the shells.
I didn't know we would get it the first time we
Okay.
opened it. Okay, so guess that's about it. This video.
So that's no, not all of them actually.
Can't believe that we got the glow in the dark, the first try ultra rare.
I was really lucky. Really, really lucky.
Yeah. So bye guys. I hope you liked that video. Make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. If you don't have fingers, do it with your nose. And see you later, and turn on post notifications if you want to know when our next video comes out. Bye!